Sparkle, and welcome back to my channel. So you can tell by the title that I received my stuff from Amazon. I received it. Now I didn't get all of it, but yeah, I'm waiting on one other thing to come. But today I did get majority of my things that I ordered, which wasn't a lot. It wasn't a lot. So I'm excited. I have not opened it. Okay, I have 3 right here. I have not opened them. I did tell y'all that, I was going to open it, with y'all. So I'm excited. Okay. Okay, so this is one of them. This is one of them. I'm so excited about the stuff that I ordered. Okay, I didn't get a lot, but I pretty much got what I wanted. Okay, so what am I doing? I got the scissors. So we're going to open this up. And I already mentioned on one of my lives that I did recently, I mentioned the things that I ordered. Okay. So I think this is what I think it is. Let's see. I'm going to open it up. Now I ordered some room spray. Oh, okay. It's here. Yeah. So this is what it is. Okay. The sprayer. This is a 32. I thought I ordered the 32. No, 22 ounce. But I thought I ordered 32. But I didn't. But this is it. This is Zero Odor Eliminator Multi-Purpose. I'm going to smell it. See what it smells like. Okay. So with this, this is supposed to be some good stuff. It gets rid of any odors, like when you get done cooking. You know how you have those lingering odors after cooking? Yeah. So this is supposed to eliminate all of that. But that's that. It smells good. It smells good. It says that it's multi-purpose. It says leaves no scent, but it has like a scent to it. But it's not a bad scent at all. Does that say? Well, I can't even see. But anyway, so you can spray this on. It's safe to use on your curtains, your rugs, things like that, your furniture and stuff. So that is that. Okay, so here's my other unboxing. Now this is home decor. The next 2 things that I'm going to show you is home decor. Now I did order some candle holders. Okay. That's what this is. We're going to open this up. So I'm excited. Now I got these for my bedroom because the 2 vases that I have sitting on top of the cabinet. Oh wow, these are huge, y'all. I did not expect them to be this huge. I did look at the measurements though, but wow. Okay. Okay, so these are gold. Everything that I'm showing you, y'all know to check the description box. Okay, because that's where it's going to be. I will link them. Now, I know with these candle holders, this is a 3-piece set. And they do come in, I think, like 2 other colors. I seen a teal color, if y'all like teal. You know, the teal turquoise color. And I think it was red. These are, look at these. These are beautiful. So this is the large one. Okay, and then we have the medium and the small. Oh, these are nice. I didn't know, look, I did not realize how big. I mean, I looked at the measurements, but I'm saying it's, oh, these are gorgeous. Like, these are really fat. Oh, wow. Okay, so here's the medium. Oh, y'all, these are a must-have. Okay, so here's the top. Look at that. The bottom. Okay. The medium. I love these. Look at these. Oh, let me do it like this. Okay. Like, these are nice. Ooh, this is going to be perfect. Like, going into the fall season. I think I put my oh, I don't have but one candle out. Hold on, let me go grab a candle. Dang. I got this LED candle. Let me go grab the other 2. Let me grab them, y'all. Hold on. I got 2 more I could put up here. And I have the flickering ones too. But I'm going to just grab these. These are nice. These are LED. I should have got the flicker ones, but I'm just trying to let y'all see how that looks. I don't think these have, okay, this has a battery in it. This one don't have no battery in it. Maybe this one does. No, this one doesn't. Okay. All right. So these are really nice. Amazon. Oh, I'm excited about those. All right, so let's move these. We're going to get to the last one. Okay, so the last one that I got, okay, this is the box that it came in. Now I only ordered one. Now, depending on how I like it, you know, how much I like it, that will determine if I go ahead and order another one. But I already know where this one is going to go. So I have a place for this. I'm going to show y'all where I'm going to put that. Let's open this up. A lot of bubble wrap. Okay, so it came packaged really well. Yeah, nothing but bubble wrap in here. Make sure nothing else is in the box. Nothing else. And this is a candle holder. Like I said, I just got one because I want to. Okay, I only got one because it's going in my dining room, and I want to hang it right on the side of my bar unit. Take that picture down, you know, and hang this up there. So here we go. Okay. This is pretty. I like it. I like it. Put your candle right here. Okay. How beautiful is this? So, yeah, I just want to hang it right there where the picture is. Maybe we could do that now. I'm thinking, I don't know if I will have to see right there. I don't know if I will have to let's see, move the screw. I hope I don't, because I already got to patch up some more holes. Okay. Okay, so I don't have to, okay, good. I don't have to move it. Yes, I took that picture down. You see? But I still think I'm going to order the other one. Yeah, I think I'm going to order the other one. So, yep. Those are nice. That is nice. So, yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and order the other one. I could, like when I order the other one, I could put it over here on this side. But I don't think so. I don't know. I don't know, y'all, but that is my haul from Amazon. You know, everything I purchased was during Prime Day, and I'm waiting on one other thing to get here, and I will share that with y'all. The 3-piece candle holder set, everything will be in the description box. I'm trying to make sure I don't forget anything else. But yeah, so I think that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.